night.
Yeah, hear me?
I'm hearing.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello, you hearing me?
Yes, I am.
Hello?
I come
You
out of
send
the
a call
night.
back.
Hello.
What the girl name? What the girl you just give me a man name and tell me say your sister. What's she name? Jesus Christ. Call my sister. What's she name? Wrangler. Tasha Gay. That's what you should have said. Tasha Gay.
Hello.
Yes, you hearing me now?
I'm hearing you. Yes, I'm hearing.
Alright, this is Tasha. Is this Tasha Gay?
Uh-huh.
Um,
No. This is not. I thought you were telling me your name. This is not Sasha Gay.
no, this is Tasha Gay's sister me I talk to.
No, darling. It's the wrong number.
You sure?
I am positive I don't have any sister named Sasha Gay.
No, not Tasha Gay, this or Tasha Gay sister. Tasha Gay.
I don't have no name Sasha or Tasha Gay. That's what I'm saying, love. Maybe check your numbers again. Maybe it's near to mine.
Hold on, Patrick. Come here, Patrick. Hold on there. Patrick.
Yeah.
She's so nice. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, Natasha Gay this.
No.
So the wrong number.
Look again on your number. Maybe it's near to mine. Or one digit is wrong.
Look like a wrong number. So who is this? Who may I talk to?
Far from Sasha Gay's sister.
Far from Sasha Gay.
Mm-hmm.
You're so nice though. I'm
Thank
Patrick.
You are?
Patrick.
Okay, Patrick.
Yeah, you're so nice.
Talking to you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I wonder if I could have WhatsApp him. I'm not telling a lie. I talk to him. Turn on.
I'm married.
You're
Sorry
married?
about that.
Oh my God. But him not for know.
No, man, no. I don't play those games.
You don't play those games. There's a first for everything.
No, I'm
No.
a Christian. I can't do that.
Baby girl, you're breaking my heart.
So I got next time.
And next time, well, I have your number. And if you block this one, I'll call you on 10 others, baby girl. Because you make my night, your voice is so sweet.
Thank you.
Big up yourself,
Thank
baby
you.
girl.
Alright, take care now.
Take care, darling.
Alright, bye-bye. Check the numbers and do, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, man, cool.
Girl of the road. Girl, at the wrong number you give me. Love, big up.